Na-encounter mo na ba to? C major. Kapag nilagyan natin itong note na to, let's add this one. C add 6 or C6 or C major 6. Then from C major again, let's add this one. C major 7. Then let's add this one. This one is C add 9. C add 9. Or yung iba ang tawag C add 2. Okay, and how about from C major? Let's change this one with this one. C sus 4. C sus 4. And then from C major, let's change this one with this one. C sus 2. And then let's add this one. This one is minor 7 plus triad is equals C7. And then how about from C major, we added this and we added this one. So this one is C9. C9. How about let's add also this one. This one is C11. Let's add this one. C13. Okay, how about from C13, let's change this one with this one. Okay, C major 13. How about let's remove this 13th note. C major 11. Let's remove this 11th note. C major 9. Okay, so let's put this back again here. Then C9. Then add the 11. C11. Let's add the 13. C13. Thank you. Happy practice. God bless.